iFinder. Get quick and easy offers for your sellers. Submit your clients' homes and give them the option to sell fast with no showings, no open houses, and no repairs. More importantly, use iFinder as a lead generation tool. You can help your clients, no matter how they choose to sell. We can't guarantee offers, but it's the first step on their home selling journey. Whether they choose to sell with iFinder or on market, you remain part of the transaction. They need you on their side to help them navigate the process. Submit your clients' homes and get bids back in 5 business days. They have a week to make a decision. No obligation. No hassle. If they choose to accept an offer, they pay your commission, whatever you set that to be, and a 1% admin fee to iFinder at closing. Sellers pay no buy-side commission on iFinder deals. It's that simple. Check out our website to learn more. iFinderoffers.com. Want to add iFinder to your business? Email info@ifinderoffers.com to get certified. Let us know if you have any questions.